Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a table in LibreOffice Base. We will use function based on design view, so we need to click on this one option, create table in design view, and after that we need to type here field names, field type and description. So for example, if we would like to create table for customers, we need to type here client ID. It will be our unique primary key, so I change the field type maybe to integer. So I select here integer. Then of course we need the name of our customer. So I type here name, and of course it will be the text varchar. I will type here maybe date of the sales. So we need to change the field type maybe to date. So I select here date, and here maybe I will type sales. I'm going to change this value maybe to decimal. Okay, so here we can type the description for fields if you want. I think it is obvious, so I think we don't need to do it. Or maybe I will add something to sales. It is sum of sales in USD currency. Okay, so now we need to change the field settings. So I click on client ID and we change auto value to yes because it is our primary key, so we need to select yes. Then I click somewhere here on the name and we need to change entry required to yes. So I select here yes. Then I click on date. I change entry required to yes, and I change sales. We need to change entry required to yes. Okay, so now we need to click right mouse button somewhere here on the client ID, and we need to check if the primary key is selected here. If it is selected, it means that everything is correctly set. So now we can save this table. We need to go to File, and we need to select Save As. Now we need to type here table name, for example, my new table. And I click OK button to save it. Now we can close this table, so I close it. And here my new table has been successfully inserted here. We can click double time on it to open it. And how you see, we can fill the data. We can type here name, for example, Martin. We can type here date, maybe something like that. We can type here sales, for example, 300. And we can fill all the rows. I type here Mark, I type here date, and I type here sales. For example, $200. Okay, so it has been successfully inserted here. So now we can close this table, so I click on the close icon. And the data will be successfully saved. If you will open this table again, you can check that the data is filled. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.